Back, new research from the Alzheimer's Association shows that African Americans are discriminated against when it comes to getting care for Alzheimer's disease. Emily Cohen hears from a woman about how tough it was getting her mother diagnosed.
Despite several red flags, Karen D. Jones says it took years to get her mother diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease.
One day I got like this strange phone call at work, and she was just real incoherent. And it was kind of strange, and I got nervous, but then by the time I got to her house later on that day, everything was fine.
So Karen immediately called her mother's doctor, but she says he seemed to dismiss her.
The phone, when the doctor said it, like, I can't help you, like, really?
So her mother saw a geriatric doctor who also told Karen that nothing is wrong with her mother. But a year after that visit, the diagnosis came. Her mother had Alzheimer's disease. That's 4 years after Karen initially reached out to her mother's doctor.
Just getting that initial help and somebody to recognize and acknowledge that this is an issue or a concern, it was very disheartening.
The executive director of the Northwest Ohio Alzheimer's Association says there's no time to waste in getting a diagnosis, especially as we move toward the first ever treatments for Alzheimer's disease.
We need to have early diagnosis for people in the mild cognitive impairment stage or in the very earliest stages of actual dementia in order for those treatments to be effective.
The Northwest Ohio Alzheimer's Association says if you're having a hard time getting yourself or a loved one diagnosed, feel free to reach out to them for help. Reporting for WTOL 11,